Hey traders, welcome to the day trading recap for June 7th, 2023. Let's take a look at the day trade ideas that we had today in chat, what we did. We came in today, we were long some of the tech, and then we saw the rotation down, ended up grabbing some puts and riding the puts, and then also playing bounces off of the bottom Keltler channel and the bottom channel range the entire day, which actually ended up working pretty good. A couple names that we did take on the equity side this morning: SMCI long, 15 points, Netflix long, 9 points, Tesla long, 3 points on that one, SDA long, 1.5 points, now long, 1.8 points, Sage long, 1 point on that. And on the option side, W, 50 calls, 389%, CAT, 335 calls for 332%, Ford, 13.5 calls for 163%. Watch that Ford going tomorrow, in my opinion, guys. Looks good. Play long, Idea, 45 calls, 133%, Oracle, the 109 calls for 100% and change, SPX, 4280 puts for 100% and change on that one. We had a call at the end of the day that didn't work on the SPX. Then we had about 9 intraday calls and puts, which ended up working pretty good. And then I think we had a call at the beginning of the day that didn't work. I know we rolled into a spread, which worked out nicely, but that's pretty much it. On the equity side, high hit rate today, which was great. Options fairly high. We had a couple options that failed. They were mainly just rolls, though. So we had a roll on Netflix this morning that did not work out, and then Tesla. Other than that, we had some pretty good stuff on like Play, ABBV. We did some Triple M that was good, etc., etc. So yeah, all in all, we actually had a really high hit rate, which is pretty decent. We'll see what happens tomorrow, though. Market, obviously, in general, sitting on the EMA support on the daily. We'll see if it holds up tomorrow. QQQs, XLK pulling down a little bit. Financials look good. Transports look good. Energy looks good. Tech doesn't look as great in the short term, but it's needed to pull back to this EMA support. So maybe a little bit more of downside in the short term, and then we can look for a bounce. That's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good one, my friends. Oh, and if you want to come trade with us, go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there.